Hey Jimmy, you might want to play it out, buddy. You're looking a little low. Yeah, that's right. Put them big old titty pads in.
The big old titty pads.
That's technically what they are, damn it.
I mean, I guess you're not wrong. I'm not happy about it, but you're not wrong.
You're not happy with the analogy? Then go fuck yourself, Jimmy.
I just have to activate these several fucking times. Oh my god.
Jimmy, you won't even let me fuck your mom. That's a war crime, Jimmy.
It wasn't pleading for his life. Fuck him.
It was still a war crime, Jimmy. He was on the ground.
That's okay. He tripped, and I just
I'm
had
gonna
to
go.
shoot at the same time.
UAV is established.
I'm gonna go get the vehicle that way we can commit more war crime.
Oh, this
Ooh,
is a good
sounds
tower
nice.
to, like, use, because you have to use ladders to get up to it. So anybody try to come up here and get it, you fucking kablooey. Is there anybody in this fucking tower range? No. Alright. You said you got a stronghold key card, right?
Yes I do.
Let's go fuck up some bitches.
Yeah, I got a stronghold key card. Hey Jimmy, your mom's hot.
I just want to remind you, your mom's fucking hot.
Hey. God damn. Oh, that's you. Hey. Oh. Hey, dipshit. Wrong buttons.
Dropping ammo here.
Alright, open the door. Oh, fuck. I'm busy here. Alright, so open the door, and I'm gonna shoot one of these bitches in there.
Hey Jimmy, I believe that was a fucking war crime. Hey, it's unlocked. You ready? Holy shit!
Oh, hey, you wanna revive me?
Yeah, I believe that's why we don't need to fly with RPGs.
Oh my god!
Oh shit, Jimmy!
Hold on!
I killed one of them, Jimmy.
Give me a second. Let me heal up.
Jimmy, run the fuck away, Jimmy, get the fuck away. That works too, Jimmy. Hurry the fuck up, Jimmy, there's a goddamn helicopter, Jimmy, hurry the fuck up.
Run, Jimmy, run!
War crime, you're gonna get fucked by an LMG.
Hey, you need 3 plates? I got you, fam.
Yeah, give me a second, I'm committing war crimes by finishing people off.
It's fucking hilarious to think.
Yeah, I'll play it up. Just hold on. Let me commit more war crimes.
Oh
God.
More war crimes, Jimmy.
My leg screamed.
The
at me
ones
for a
that
second.
the sins I've committed aren't hard enough.
I need more blood.
Satan's still gonna be looking at me like I'm a bitch. I've gotta prove him to be a bitch.
Oh my god. Oh fuck.
Hey Jimmy, where the fuck did you go?
I'm up top.
Oh, okay.
It's the fucking character drop for me that gets me every fucking time. You do the voice for like 40 fucking minutes, and then out of nowhere, just grown-ass man voice. I get this raspy fucking preteen, pre-cum fucking, how you doing? And then out of nowhere, just alright, I got you.
Locations are marked on your attack map.
Where are they at?
Oh,
I wonder if that glitches.
it hurts my
Where are
hurts my fucking voice.
they? I bet.
Like, it doesn't hurt it near as much as fucking
Stop pinging.
as Muscle Man's.
Yeah.
Muscle Man's fucks me up, dog. Like, I don't know what it is.
It's because it's so raspy. It's fucking useless.
Oh yeah, I guess that makes sense.
Hey, that
I
was a
just
war crime.
committed war crimes, Jimmy.
We both admitted
I
that
shot
was
the
war
man in the
crimes.
balls. Hey, Jimmy, can you at least leave me a fucking plate? God damn it.
Bitch, I don't even have plates myself.
You have 1 3/4 of a plate on you, motherfucker.
Bitch, that's
where I would
incorrect.
run.
That is 1 and at least 3. Oh wait, fuck.
3/4.
Shut up.
3/4, you piece of shit. Yeah, that's right. Never underestimate Carl Wheezer's maths. My grammar might not be good, but my fucking math skills are, bitch.
It doesn't even sound like fucking Carl Wheezer sometimes. That what makes it so bad. Because sometimes it's just you doing a fucking voice.
Ultra One, activity has
Oh my
increased in
god.
the area. Keep your eyes open.
Because after like a couple of seconds, I can't do the voice because there's so much shit in the back of my throat. But it hurts like a motherfucker to cough.
Oh fuck. I just want to get to this thing. I just
Hey,
need to switch this
Jimmy. Jimmy.
Man, imagine you're watching a base. You're like, oh, you're told that there are enemies about, right? And you like turn a corner, you see this motherfucker, you start shooting like, I got this hoe, and then he fucking blows you up with an RPG.
I think that's a fucking war crime, Jimmy.
They're all war crimes.
But I don't think that the U.S. government's gonna forgive you for blowing up a grown man with an RPG. I believe that's a felony.
You still have that key card?
Jimmy? Jimmy? Jimmy, the fucking helicopter's following me, Jimmy!
Well, come open this door. I can't climb trucks now, or I would have gotten a higher advantage for you. I'm sorry. I think they're dead.
Jimmy?
I think you killed them.
Yeah, I had to commit ultimate war crime for that shit. Oh no, I got two plates off that. Holy shit, Jimmy, run the fuck! Run! Jimmy, there's another fucking helicopter!
I didn't do shit.
Jimmy? Jimmy?
Are you-
Jimmy?
Why'd you open it without me, motherfucker? I'm coming.
In the area.
I
Stay
didn't...
sharp.
I want to be clear, Jimmy, I didn't open it. I unlocked it. They are the fuckers that opened it. I am the one who came through. And I believe they regret every last decision they made, Jimmy.
What, did they make the
Jimmy.
fucking armored dudes OP again? What the fuck? I didn't do shit, dick. Hey, a
Hey,
plate.
Jimmy, do you need a precision airstrike?
I could always use one.
There's that in the cluster mine up here.
Ultra One, be advised. UAV is RTB at this time.
We run a war crime and a half for you.
Ultra, you need to exfil with those objectives to complete your active mission.
Ooh.
Get
I
moving.
just need to.
Durable gas mask.
I just need to activate that thing again. I don't like that people are shooting people.
Hey, friendlies, guys, I'm Carl Wheezer.
Can I?
Hey, there's people here.
Oh, I know.
by the
I'm
way.
interrogating a guy right now.
Oh, how the fuck do you interrogate a guy?
Drop them.
I don't know why I just stored that, but
God damn, I blew his ass away. I'm sorry, bro.
Incoming.
Fuck me.
You're not leaving me yet.
Hey, Jimmy, I killed another fucker over here.
Hey, could you get me out?
You'll live.
I am wounded and I cannot get up.
Requesting recon flyover.
I am wounded. Oh my god, what the fuck? I am wounded and I cannot move it. What?
Hey, Jimmy, you never fuck with a goddamn.
Can you heal me?
Hey, by the way, there's 3 people around us.
Well, there should only be 2 now, because we killed that one guy.
Well, I got an advanced UAV up.
Yeah, I noticed. It's a
Jimmy,
sexy enhanced
Jimmy.
Get moving.
I'm good.
I gotta reload everything, dog. Hold on.
Dropping ammo here.
Enemy operators extracted a weapons case. Ultra One, tag secure. You're being tracked by enemy
you're-
Bro,
operators.
can I not get their backpack off of them?
No. You know, I get the shit out of it.
Oh, I got the dog tags if you're needing them.
Thanks.
Or do you just have to exfil with them?
I have to exfil with it.
Okay, so it
I
should
just need
work
to
if I
activate
got them.
this, and then I'm just gonna head to a thing to exfil, so I can get my shit.
Actual to Ultra
Because this will
One,
knock out
UAV is
2.
in orbit over your location.
Or does it have to be a
I
second
got
one?
you.
Look here.
Holy,
Jimmy. Time to commit war crime, Jimmy.
Contact.
Oh my god. I missed.
Stay in the fight.
Alright, I'm running. Goodbye.
Jimmy, get the fuck out of here, Jimmy.
Oh, I have to activate one more. Okay, I'm gonna activate that one when we go to it.
Jimmy.
Oh fuck, my shit lagged. I got scared. Man, I'm upset. I wish I could do voices with you. My fucking throat's killing me. I don't even know what voice I would do. I don't even know if there's anybody's voice I can do besides like Randy Savage, but I have to fucking mutilate my throat for that. And you can already hear how I am now.
Hey, Jimmy, can I mutilate your throat? At least let me get your mom's throat, you piece of shit.
I now want an aggressive Carl Wheezer.
an aggressive Carl Wheezer is just too fucking funny, man.
That's like an aggressive. It's like an aggressive Elmo. Like it's just so satisfying to hear it.
Oh, I need to learn how to do Elmo's voice.
I don't know. I could.
Elmo.
What is something Elmo says? I don't
Ultra
fucking know
One,
any of Elmo
UAV is
shit.
bingo fuel and RTB.
I swear to God, if you don't get a fucking life.
What the?
I don't know.
I can't do it. I can't get my voice high enough. I can hear you madly spamming X to get over the fucking rocks.
I'm Carl Wheezer.
I just hear. I swear to God, bash, 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 bash.
I swear to God, Jimmy, if I don't get a piece of that mom ass, I'm going to go fucking ape shit on you.
You know what I just realized? I wonder if the bots have like
Grenade.
sensor for that shit for our voices.
Jimmy, move the fuck over, Jimmy. I need to get up here with you.
I'm
You're
not.
too fucking fat. Blow the fucking helicopter out of the sky, Jimmy. Blow it up, blow it up, blow it up, blow it up, fucker. Blow it the fuck up, Jimmy.
I disabled it, yet it's still there.
Stay alert.
I gotta reload. Hold on.
I'm taking fire.
just try to shoot us with a shotgun? Oh my god, god damn!
Stay alive.
Bro, I hope not.
Dropping
Yeah.
ammo here.
Oh, that is bullshit. I really did lose a
Ultra One, be
fucking
advised, winds are picking up. Move to an extraction point.
Fucking, I'm
revive
taking a chance.
gun.
I'm taking fire.
I lost a revive gun just to equip that.
Oh really? Oh, you
Um,
didn't stow it first?
Yeah, no, that pisses me off that's how that shit works. Are you fucking kidding?
Well, I currently
Hey,
pissed somebody else
Jimmy.
off, so hold on.
Jimmy,
I
let's
got
get into... Or let's just get out in the fucking open and do this, yeah. That
I'm
makes
good.
perfect sense.
Hey, you're still alive. Suck my dick.
And I fucking parade you for that. Thank you, Jimmy.
I parade you for that. Shut up.
What do you want me to say, Jimmy? I'll suck your dick?
Yes. Right now.
Cause I will. Where the fuck are you, Jimmy? Goddammit.
I'm running, motherfucker.
Why, you fucking coward? You're running from fucking...
I'm running from
I
the
don't even know.
I'm running from the glizzy gobbler, yes.
You're running from the glazzy gobbler, Jimmy.
Taking effective fire.
Ow, stop hitting me. I'm not a fucking bullet sponge for you to hit on, you fucking assholes.
Jimmy?
What the
Jimmy?
What the fuck?
Jimmy?
It's the distress. It does it every time. Ah, fuck. Maybe? Maybe? Maybe, baby. We're meant to have a good laugh.
Why does it feel like they made this a little bit harder?
I know, right? Why did I say it like that? I know, right? Let's see how quick I die. Just need to activate one more and get to that fucking escape pod.
Ultra One, we're seeing increased activity in the area. Stay sharp.
At least I hope. Yeah.
Ultra
Hey,
One, this is
hey,
actual.
Jimmy.
UAV is established orbit.
You have war crime coming at you.
Live in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck me.
Jimmy, holy shit, Jimmy. Jimmy, we
I don't
should
know
get
if you
that
can hear
truck
me
over there.
spamming the absolute fuck out of my god. Oh my god. Hey, bud, I'm sorry. If you go down, I'm way the fuck away from you. God damn it.
Oh, you really gotta say that.
I'm all the way up on the top of this fucking hill. Fuck. Okay, give me a second. Time to pull out all...
Oh my god,
What
bro.
the fuck? Oh. Time to pull out all this stuff.
No, not you. This.
Copy that. Phoenix 2-3 is on station. Strike inbound.
Okay, I'm in like a little shack type deal.
Direct hit.
I've got you. I've got you.
Thank you, Jimmy. You're my hero.
Oh my god!
Jimmy, holy shit, Jimmy, be my hero one more time.
Ultra One,
I can
actual.
be your
Highways
hero,
approaching in
baby.
radius. Start moving to an extract point.
Dylan, get the fuck up the mountaintop and let's go.
Bro, I have no idea how the fuck you're getting up there like you are.
Parkour, bitch.
Jimmy, I'm just...
God fucking damn it.
Fuck, Dylan.
I'm trying to get to the fucking car, that way I can just drive the fuck off. Because my controller, what the fuck ever, my angles ain't letting me go. Oh god, I'm about to get blown the
Ultra
fuck
One,
off the map.
actual. UAV
Hold on,
is returning to
hold on.
base.
Oh fuck, this is gonna go a lot harder. Hey asshole, I'm busy trying to save a friend. Fuck off. Oh, fuck you. Your
I figured
thing's-
that was gonna happen.
There it is. I was gonna say, your thing's no longer existing for me.
Ultra One, Dino 4. We're approaching the LZ.
Yeah,
Get
Jimmy,
it
because I
secured.
no longer exist. I'm only in your
I was
imagination
just about to say,
now,
I'm simply
Jimmy.
in your imagination.
Holy shit, Jimmy, that was a close shot.
Fuck off, I accidentally
just
grabbed your
steal
back. Yes.
Jimmy, you're about to get
Fucked. Damn it, fuck you, Dylan. I should have just left.
I was gonna tell you, Jimmy, to give me
That's the last time I saved Carl Wheezer.
Oh, Jimmy, maybe if you'd stop leaving me behind, you know I have fat fucking ankles and asthma.
Or maybe you get up the goddamn mountainside.
Give me a second. I'm gonna turn my light off.
Okay. Fucking dickhead. These games aren't turning out the way I need them to. Damn it, we got fucking free kills on those too, so I can beat that fucking thing. We're gonna ignore that.
Bro, I'm positive they're not that hard to fucking find anymore. How many we found that go around? I found like fucking 4 by myself.
Ow.
After that first initial one that you pointed out to me, I just kept fucking finding them.
God damn, these fucking suck. How the fuck am I supposed to do that? Oh, fuck me. Jesus Christ. What the fuck is all of this? Fuck
Hey,
off.
Jimmy. What's your challenges?
Right now, the ones I've got on me are exfil with 6 kill streaks, and then loot and extract 1 more dog tag. But the other ones I have to look at, I either have to deliver like 26, 30, 14 different fucking things to specific drop points, or I have to kill a certain amount of enemies in a certain area while being on a vehicle and in a vehicle. I have to activate 5 UAV towers at the same time, or destroy 7 vehicles in close succession 4 times, or I have to acquire a durable gas mask and exfil 3 times using the final exfil with $60,000 cash on me.
I really wish I had known that, because I had a durable fucking gas mask. Like the gold gas mask.
Like, fuck. Oh well.
Jimmy.
Oh shit. Maybe I should actually edit my loadout.
Jimmy.
Stop that spooky shit.
Jimmy, give me your money. I need crack.
You're just breaking the goddamn eardrums of anybody who's listening.
What?
I said you're just breaking the eardrums of anybody who might listen to this. Just loud
Well, I
exhaling.
apologize.
Oh god. That didn't help. I hope nobody was asleep.
I apologize. Hey, Carl Wheezer.
I think it fucked with one of those guys whenever I was doing the Carl Wheezer voice.
Bro, why did I sneeze and my elbow went numb? What the fuck?
Jimmy, don't tell me you're having a stroke.
I fucking might.
If you do, Jimmy, can I have your shit?
Sure, just delete the porn off of it first.
No, I mean your actual shit, Jimmy.
Sure, just delete the porn off of it first.
I'm talking the bowel movement after you die.
I know, and I'm telling you that I have legal porn etched into my shit.
You might have a problem, Jimmy.
taking a
Says
porn
the
addiction
person
to the- that's wanting it. Yeah.
yeah.
Like you're really in the clear, my guy. Hurry up, make your load up so you can drop in. Jeez. We need a third. That's what we need. We need Aiden as our healer.
Yeah. Do you know where the sunken ship is?
Fuck no. I didn't even know there was a Oh, yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. What about it? Wait, which one? There's two.
I don't know. I just have a sunken ship captain's cash key.
Oh. It's either that one by
Well, I mean, hell,
It's either by...
it would probably work on both of them.
Maybe. It's either that one that's in the, by that hotel where you get the fucking deagle at. It's either that one, or it's, there's another ship on the coastline that's, like, sideways sunken. But I don't know if you can get inside the captain's quarters on that one. I can be your hero, baby.
Oh. We're gonna go to the sunken ship, you know, motherfucker. Maybe if we go over there and unlock some shit, maybe we can actually find a couple of 3-plate carriers and max backpacks.
Yeah.
That's the one thing that just pisses me off whenever you kill people. It's like, really, I can take your fucking plate carrier, but I can't take the
your
backpack?
Yeah. I can take your three-plate plate carrier off of you that I just shot to hell and back, but God forbid that backpack. Can't touch that bitch.
Oh, God forbid the backpacks that you just accidentally fell on. But no, the fucking thing that I apparently was shooting through in the chest. Oh no, it's perfectly alright.
It's in healthy condition. In fact, it has 3 plates in it for you.
Magically, somehow.
Well, technically,
the
they're
guy
not
we
in
were
it,
supposed to
they're just
protect.
stored for you. I forgot.
Oh yeah, the guy that was holding on to me a little bit while ago. Yeah, no, I didn't like him too much. That's why I let them bullets slip through.
That's why I let them bullets slip through.
Well, if you make this into a video, you can just call it Carl Wheezer Commits War Crimes.
Welcome to Al Mazrah.
No, Jimmy tries to keep Carl from committing war crimes.
I gotta, like, after this one, I'm gonna look up what Jimmy's voice sounds like again, because, like, I don't fucking remember.
Oh no, Carl. Like a little bitch.
Like a little bitch.
Yeah, Jimmy, you sound like a little bitch.
Okay, so I can either get 20 gas cans, lighters, comic books, bandages, or documents. So everything. Let me just grab everything.
Yeah, Jimmy, grab every...
Oh wow.
Ultra, exfil with the objectives to complete your active
Hey,
mission.
Jimmy, here's a comic book.
Alright.
Oh, I got an Al-Qaeda attack diagram. Ooh,
Sexy.
just what I wanted for Christmas.
How did he know?
Mom, Dad, how did you know?
You don't
Carl.
fucking shut up about it.
Carl, we've known for a while.
You've known? It's awesome.
Let's go wow. Wow. Let's go raid a weapons stash. Jesus.
Yeah, let's go do that, and then let's go do the whatchamacallit.
What are we doing?
Sunken ship.
Oh, which fuck. Let's go do that first. Actually, that's way the fuck down there, but yeah, that's halfway across the goddamn map. Fuck.
Hey, Jamie.
But we do need weapons.
Your
So,
mom,
up to
Jamie,
you.
your mom shot.
Say my mom.
And there's nothing you
one more time.
Hey,
Oh.
hey, Jamie, your mom's fucking spectacularly hot.
Spectacularly.
I also got in the car, Jimmy. Hey, Jimmy, guess what? You can't do shit, motherfucker. I have my gun pointed to the back of your head. And I will unload a whole magazine because you're a little cunt.
Taking effective fire.
Never mind, this other dude's a fucking bigger cunt.
I know for a fact you're not hitting his ass.
I hit him with like fucking a good 4 or 5 shots. Now, granted, that is out of 45.
Yeah, I was about to say out of an entire mag. You didn't hit him with shit.
Jimmy, it don't matter as long as they get fucked up by a couple of bullets.
Contact!
God damn, son.
Grenade!
If anybody wants to donate to the local strippers clubs for Jimmy and I will happily, holy fucking shit.
Oh, I got a gold key. Downtown post office key.
Nice.
Taking effective
Do you know what that
fire.
is?
Downtown. It's the big ass thing on the map that says post office on it.
No shit, Jimmy.
You ass dick.
Ultra One, you're less than 100 meters from
Dude,
the target area. Stay
oh
alert.
fuck.
Are you fucking serious?
Jimmy, it's not my fault, Jimmy. They came out of no fucking where.
Where the
I'll
fuck
get
is
you
that
fixed
anyway?
up.
Jimmy, I think they're coming for the key.
I think they're coming for my tight ass, Jimmy.
Jimmy, they're coming for my tight, juicy ass. I don't know what to
Fuck, did
think
you get
about
a
it.
two-plate carrier at?
At the beginning, I think. In one of those houses, I know
Funny
that.
you know.
All I know is I found it.
My
Jimmy,
God.
you just got absolute.
Oh my God!
Jimmy,
I opened the door and they were ready
Jimmy.
for my ass. They didn't fuck around.
Jimmy.
Shield. I don't know how the fuck you're alive right now. Get my ass.
Cause Carl Wheezer's a goddamn nuts and Jimmy, hurry the fuck up, get the fuck up, there's a car coming, Jimmy.
Taking effective fire.
Holy fuck. Get ready to get fucking bamboozled. Hey, large backpack, let's go.
Ultra One, enemy reinforcements are approaching your position.
Let me just swap that bitch out real quick.
Ah, you a bitch.
Can't remember if the Fatecal is good or not. It's not when I have to heal, I'm sorry, Dylan. You didn't see shit. You
I
didn't
was
just
hoping there'd be
You
another.
didn't just witness me absolutely lay that dude out.
Oh shit.
Oh, damn, this bitch only holds 8 rounds. Not 8 rounds. How many does this bitch hold?
Dropping
5.
ammo here.
It only holds 5. You blocked my shot, you dick.
I apologize.
I was to go shoot and you fucking ran in front of me and it blocked it. You asshole. I know you didn't mean to, fucker. Are the armor plates? Oh my god.
I'm taking fire.
There you go.
Take a fire.
Oh yeah, I want to test out.
Hey, in that corner right there.
They're coming up.
Oh. God, I am so sorry.
Throwing thermite.
Let me
Yeah, and if you can get up in that corner right there beside the box, that's a really good fucking.
Oh yeah. Oh, I see what you're talking
They're
about.
not coming in any other door, are they?
No, because they're all locked.
Be advised,
Alright.
the stash is open. Secure that equipment.
Medium backpack, that's alright. Ooh, armor box.
At least they're generous enough to wait for
Hey.
me to reload before. Was that all that was in there? No, Fatak. Fatak wasn't that good.
They tagged me.
Oh fuck, I gotta reload. This thing only has 5 rounds in it.
Ooh.
Fire.
Yeah, I got lit up there.
Ooh, M4, let's go. M4's where it's fucking at.
Oh god. God, gimme.
Ultra.
Controller fucked up.
Required to complete your active
Fuck!
mission. Move.
You don't have an
Don't tell me you
SFX,
died.
do you? I did. When I hopped out, I fucking hit the corner and got stuck. And then when I went to go aim at the fucker, he got me. I'm assuming you don't have a
Please
selfie.
tell me you.
No? Okay.
No.
Alright. Like I went to go out and like get behind the thing or whatever, and I got stuck on like the corner somehow. I think I was stuck on you and the corner, like the way your body was positioned. It caught me.
Yeah. I don't know why my shit literally was just like, oh yeah, no, you're shooting and walking? Yeah, no, you're about to continue shooting and walking. Well, I lost fucking 2 keys there, and
It's not like we fucking use the keys.
because I really wanted to see what the downtown post office key was about because it was a fucking 3-tier gold.
Oh yeah.
So I was like, huh, maybe it's fucking special.
It's like all the other ones.
Maybe I can find some good loot.
So I can go thermites. Oh, I only have to extract with those? Okay. I can do that.